Hi, this is Sherry. So I'm out in the garden. I'm doing just all these little random tasks. I was and now is making these seed balls. Let me just tighten this camera. Okay, so yeah. So I started making some, and I'm just grabbing it. And there's a lot of seeds going everywhere, which is fine because I love this plant, so I want it to go everywhere. And then I make it into a ball. And yeah, so I'm filling up this crate here with these. And then we're going to go lay them around the garden. And another thing I did is I cut the stalks off of the Sedum Autumn Joy, which is done, and it's just down to the bare stalks. So I'm going to cut those into sections and put them on the edges of beds so that I've got them. They won't really root, but what'll happen with those is that they start to get the florets for the new coming out of the cambium layer. And so I'm going to be able to just put those anywhere I want in a bed. They're just have little roots. They'll have little roots coming off of them, and they'll have just different things. So these are the stems of the Sedum Autumn Joy. Yeah, and so there is latent energy in these things, and so what you can do is I cut them about, let's see. Okay, so these ones are from the Autumn Joy. So what I'll do is I'll cut them like about 6 to 8 inches. So that'll be, put those in a group, and then I'll cut these ones like that. And maybe one more time. So then I'm gonna show you over here how much of these I have left. So I still have a lot of the Alyssum here in the bucket, and I've already laid out like 3 or 4 seed balls here and there, and I'll show you where those are. But then we're gonna take this flat with us, and we're going to put some more out. Okay, I still have a lot more to form into balls, but I'm going to do some of that later for the backyard. So I'm doing the front yard now, and then there's the Autumn Joy stems. So let's go and disperse this stuff. So, okay, oh, look at this new plant I got. It's like, woo, I love it. Okay, so see, I put one there already. I put one in each of these beds just because they'll, oh, maybe I didn't get the middle bed. Okay, so there's another one over here, and over here is where I had cut the Autumn Joy stems. And what will happen is that these will, at the nodes here, where there's nodes, they'll get little rosettes of the Autumn Joy, and then I can like take the whole stick and like plant it somewhere, just barely under the soil. And this is how I'm propagating my Autumn Joy. Yeah, because it's pretty nice when it blooms. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here and put one of these seed balls in here by my lettuce and my parsley. Yeah, and then, geez, there's leaves falling everywhere. It's a festival of leaves. So I think I'll put some here by the ginger. Yeah, geez, you can just throw them out there. This is like really easy guerrilla gardening, they call it, the permaculture world. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. I think it would be nice to have some down here, right there. Okay. Oh, here's a spot over here too. This would be a good spot. Let me just move some of the... Oh, got one of my butterfly things there. Okay, so I've been putting these out for the butterflies. These little dishes and filling them up with water and stuff. And get some alyssum right there by their food supply. That'll be good. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. Now I really like alyssum on the edge because it's nice and it's kind of drapey. So I'm just gonna like rough it up with my fingers here and then put that seed ball right there, smash it in there. And then I'll do another one over here, and then this will be like really nice edge for the pollinators. So what I can show you now